This is a roll on the B in a jig like Out on the Ocean. So you can see there's the initial note and then a cut, just the same finger, and then from below. So you've got, and then cutting again. So you've actually got 4 Bs in a row. And the timing is basically 3 even triplets. That's how you want to think of it, first of all. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And then eventually, once you've really got it down and you're not going to mess up, you can then put a little bit of rhythm into it. So it kind of speeds up. But of course, the next note after that triplet wants to be on the beat. So basically, a roll is replacing 3 notes in a row, or an equivalent. So, or